How do you break into tech through business analysis and project management with zero experience? Breaking into tech is not hard. Breaking in without clarity is hard. And if you're confused between learning data analysis, Scrum mastering, business analysis, project management, or if you've been applying to loads of jobs with no interviews, this video will save you months. I want you to stay with me. I'm going to walk you through the exact roadmap I personally used to go from frustrated to senior business analysis, and also coaching other people, thousands of them, to helping them land real jobs globally. And by the end of this video, you would know exactly how to start, where to abandon, and where to continue from. And of course, if you're new here, friends, my name is Ibiyemi. I'm a senior business analyst. I'm a career coach, and I'm also the founder of Innovate Path Consulting, where I help people to move into tech roles, high-paying tech roles through clarity, mentorship, and hands-on experience training. That is my forte. So make sure you subscribe. Please hit that bell icon. Subscribe. You don't want to miss when I drop my next content. Now let's dive into it. I know you're as excited as I am for what I have to share with you today. Now, why is business analysis and project management the easiest path into tech? It's simple. I want to explain to you why I always recommend both courses for beginners. Trust me, breaking into tech with, say, cybersecurity and other courses can be really tough. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to basically spend hours. Every industry needs a BA, a PM, from healthcare to finance, to government, to tech, to education. Your transferable skills easily map into these roles. These roles are always in demand because companies always run on projects. So once you enter, you can pivot into anything else, from product management to delivery management to PMO and even to data analysis. So it's the most accessible and realistic path to break into tech in 2025 and beyond. I want to help you to shift your mindset first. So most people actually fail before they start, yes. And it's not because they can't learn the skills, but they don't shift their mindset and their identity first. To break into business analysis and project management, you must stop thinking like your old role and start thinking like a problem solver, a communicator, someone that knows how to translate chaos into clarity, someone that asks very good questions, someone that understands how businesses run. Now, once you adopt the BAPM mindset, your skills start to make sense, and that's where your transferable skills actually come in. Now, what is a business analyst and what do they actually do? I want to help you to demystify the role. A business analyst is someone that doesn't just write documents. It's somebody that is the bridge, literally the bridge between the business and the technical team. You help organizations answer, what is the problem? Why does it matter? What does success look like? What needs to change? What does the solution require? How do we deliver it safely and efficiently? So you have a lot of activities that you do, from gathering requirements to mapping out processes as is current process to be future states. User stories, acceptance criteria, stakeholder management, testing, user acceptance testing, support, documentation, workshop, and analysis. If you can explain these problems clearly, you're already a business analyst. So let's talk about project management. What do they actually do as well? So a project manager is literally the driver of delivery. Your job is not to do the technical work. Your job is to make sure the team can deliver it. So you're thinking like a driver. You know how a driver leads everyone to their destination. So your responsibilities here: timelines, schedules, risk, issues, budgeting, stakeholder communication, team coordination, reporting progress, ensuring delivery is aligned with business goals. So I want to define work properly. That's a BA. Let's deliver the work properly. That's a PM. Hopefully that helps you to clarify. And this is why the BA-PM combination is powerful, especially for beginners. And that's why I teach it 2-in-1. The skills that you actually need to learn, these are non-negotiable. And they are these core skills you must learn how to do for you to break into these roles. So business analysis, you have requirements gathering, user stories, acceptance criteria, process mapping, documentation and analysis, stakeholder communication, problem solving. And for PM, risk issues, rate log, planning, scheduling, agile, waterfall, scrum ceremonies, status reporting, and delivery timelines. Now, what are the tools that you need? We're talking Jira, Miro, Microsoft 365, PowerPoint, Outlook, Lucidchart or Visio, Trello, Asana, Confluence, if you can. You don't need to master 100 tools. A lot of job descriptions don't actually list every and any tool. So how do you get experience without having experience? This is where people actually panic. How do I get experience when I've never worked in a BA or in a PM field before? Here are 3 realistic ways you can get experience. 1, simulated project. Work on guided projects that reflect real company scenarios. 2. Volunteering and internships. Offer your skills in NGOs, small businesses, edtechs, startups. It helps you to build the foundation. 3. Community experience. A lot of you are literally in communities and doing things that are transferable to these roles. Support real projects inside a structured program, work with real teams, solve problems and project outcomes. Look at the things that I've shared earlier on and start taking them one by one. So once you have one good portfolio project, you're no longer an entry level, confused BA or PM anymore. You are now ready to get into the job market. Now, your CV and your LinkedIn positioning. This part is very important. 99% of people don't get interviews because their CV is a list of tasks. It's not a story. Hiring managers want to see how you think, how you solve problems. I'm telling you, that's what they want to see. How do you communicate? Do you understand BA or PM language? Some people are going to interviews not even speaking in language. So your CV should actually translate your old experience like this. Instead of, I scheduled meetings. So I ask you, you say you scheduled meetings. What does that do? I coordinated weekly cross-functional sessions to align stakeholders to clarify project actions. So instead of, I assisted my manager, no. Supported processes by improving, removing bottlenecks, suggesting workflow changes. That's positioning. So I want you to do this to land your job. And this is where most career changers actually waste months applying to 500 roles a day. 600 roles a day is a complete waste of time. Use my 10 role strategy. Number 1, pick your niche. Do you want business analysis or do you want project management? Number 2, identify 10 quality roles. Number 3, study the job description. Number 4, tailor your CV. Number 5, optimize your LinkedIn. Number 6, create a portfolio. Number 7, prepare BA or PM interview related stories. Number 8, engage with the company. Number 9, apply intentionally. And number 10, follow up with value. If you follow this strategy, it beats every other thing you're doing. Trust me when I say that. Now, how long does it take realistically to move into these roles? Well, month 1 to month 2. Upskill in BA and PM fundamentals like tools, methodologies, and things like that. And check my page. I shared a video on how to the roadmap to follow. Month 2 to 3, work on a real or simulated project. Build a simple portfolio. And month 3 to 4, fix your CV and your LinkedIn. Start applying with the 10 role strategy that I just shared to you. And month 4 to 6, you start getting interviews and offers and your transition is done. 6 months is actually realistic. 3 months is realistic because most of my students, we take them through a 3-month journey. So if your goal is to transition into business analysis or project management in 2025, the key is clarity. Not 10 random courses, not applying to 200 jobs, not getting overwhelmed with too much information. Follow everything I've shared. Watch this video over and over again so that you know that you are good to go. A clear path, a focused skill set, a practical project, strategic applications will change your life. If you want a guided roadmap, as always, join my next training, clarity session, or even my community. All the links are below. Because some people will say, I have all this information. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to go from here. What do I actually do? If you're ready to pivot with people, hands-on guidance, then my project management and business analysis training is open for enrollment. Our next cohort starts on the 24th of January, Saturday, 2026. You can also join my work experience program. If you've already got background skills, then join the work experience program, January 19, 2026. We teach you the tools, we guide you through life projects, we help you to build confidence, to land real roles, and you can join from anywhere in the world, from Nigeria to the UK to Canada to the US. We have seen it all. All our students come from every part of the world. If you found this video useful and helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it to someone that is currently exploring a tech career. Comment below and tell me, are you more of a business analyst or a project manager? And what do you want me to share in my next content? Let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn at Ibiyemi Career Coach and Ibiyemi Fashipe on LinkedIn. I share career tips, resources, remote job updates, and a lot. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Stay intentional, keep building your career, and your clarity starts with Ibiyemi Career Coach YouTube channel. I'm Ibiyemi and I'll see you in the Bootcamp.